So you want dark mode. You want dark mode in your Google Sheets, and that's okay. I mean, that's really a simple process, but I'm going to show you one extra special trick to do. So inside of your sheet, you have to go to each and every one of your backgrounds and change it to sort of a darker color. I'm going to do this for all of my sheets. I'm going to also change the text to a lighter text so it punches out. But now, what about the rest of your Chrome? Like, what about the actual Google Sheet? Now, on mobile and desktop, it's very easy. Sorry, on mobile only, it's very easy. You can just select dark mode. However, on laptop or desktop mode, how do you get the rest of your sheet to be dark mode? Well, we're going to go to Chrome flags, and it's going to look like this. So in Chrome, in your URL bar, make sure you go Chrome, actual ://flags, and it's going to look like this. And all we have to do is search for dark, and it says auto dark mode for web contents. Change this to enabled, and we will need to relaunch. Once we've relaunched, it'll look like this, and your sheet will look like this. So if we go back to our original sheet, the only thing that doesn't get dark is, unfortunately, the column and row numbers and letters. Your Google Sheet is dark, and Chrome itself is dark mode. Isn't that cool? I think it's one of the coolest hidden features of Chrome. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. You have two options here for your next video. Before you go, comment down below if you have any question whatsoever, and I'll make future videos from those questions. But for right here, right now, one of these videos could be your next Google Sheet.